First of all, I'm really honored and privileged to be here in this great nation, Sri Lanka, on the invitation of Air Marshal Pather Rana, Commander Sri Lankan Air Force, on the 70 years celebrations. And it's a great service to this nation that Sri Lankan Air Force has done. And we are very proud to be here. We give a lot of importance to our relationship with Sri Lanka in Pakistan. And this is not only marked by historical, cultural, but traditional and even in regional connectivity. It is nurtured by long, decades-long relationship. And it is very cordial, it is very friendly. Both great nations, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, stand shoulder to shoulder with each other. Whether it is a crisis time or it is a national festivity like celebration of 70 years also. I think our past and our future connects us together. Here I take this opportunity to appreciate the resilience, the strength of Sri Lankan nation in fighting against the terrorism. And Pakistan was shoulder to shoulder with our brothers, whether it was materially or diplomatically. And we take that inspiration from our Sri Lankan brothers because we've also faced the same menace. And we hope and pray a very safe future for our both great nations. Prime Minister, His Excellency Imran Khan was here, and that speaks of political and military leadership, and my coming here within 1 week's time after him. It speaks that how our relationship goes politically and militarily. And it is very unique, and I think it will further augment our relationship in the times to come. I am very thankful, whole Pakistani nation is very thankful to Sri Lanka for sending their team in 2019 to play and revive cricket in Pakistan after 10 years. We're so grateful. I think our collaboration militarily as Armed Forces General is excellent. And in particular, if I speak of Sri Lankan Air Force and Pakistan Air Force, I think our collaboration in training, maintenance and professional development, professional enhancement program is going very fine. I'm very confident that with passage of time, it will further accentuate and continue to augment manifold in the years ahead. Thank you very much. I'm thankful to the media for this opportunity to express my views very briefly and very shortly. Thank you very much.